Hi, this is Dave at CryptoPay, and today I want to show you our CryptoTap unit. Tom, if you'll go ahead and point at that. We've installed it on a Unitec Wash Select 2. It pairs seamlessly with the CryptoPay swiper, a true plug-and-play device. Only has a couple of wires to install and gives you the ability to use contactless credit cards and also Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay. Tom has got in his Google Wallet his credit card, and he's going to go ahead and activate this car wash. Notice how fast it is. He selects the wash.
That payment for your selection.
He scans his wallet, and the display says verifying.
The express wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
Okay, Tom's going to go ahead and hit the wash
The
now.
wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance sign on the car wash.
That is CryptoTap on a Unitec auto-cashier.
The wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance sign on the car wash.
On a busy Saturday, this is great because it verifies so quickly. That's CryptoTap again on a Unitec Wash Select 2.